Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today's video is going to be one of the craziest videos that I have personally ever recorded. I'm in my room right now and it's a bit of a mess. I'm currently like rearranging stuff, and I also just got through the flu, so if I sound a little weird, it's because I just got over the flu. But in front of me, we currently have a bunch of boxes. These two packages, I already know what they are. This, I have no idea what this is. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox all this stuff for you guys right now. Alright, so like I mentioned, I know what these two are. I have no idea what this is. But since I know what these are, I'm gonna do these last. And this box looked like it got freaking punted, or like, that looks like a tire mark. I don't know what that's about. And this thing's held in with staples. Oh! Damn, I just ordered this like 3 days ago. This came so quick. Okay, now I know what this is. Hopefully it's not damaged. I really hope this is not damaged, because that mark in there looked super big. Damn, I just ordered this. That's crazy. The shipping on this is nuts. You can kind of see on that side a little sneak peek. Got some carbon fiber showing. Yes, sir. Alright, so here we have carbon diffuser. Damn, this thing has a little bit of weight to it. But carbon diffuser for my car. That thing is nuts. Like, this thing is heavy. This is proper weight. That's insane. I'm surprised for how big of a like hit was on this. Damn, this looks sick. This is gonna look dope on the back of the car. So yeah, carbon diffuser right here. That we'll keep right there. But this package is gonna be insane. I've been saying it for a long time that I want to get this, and I finally got it. So let's see. You just gotta see what it is. I mean, at this point, you already know. Oh my god. So we got the first muffler, full titanium valved exhaust. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this entire thing and then show you guys everything afterwards when it's all neat and nice and stuff. I'm pretty sure you're not supposed to touch this stuff. I think it leaves fingerprints, but I'm not sure. So we got that. We got the other side muffler. Look at the freaking quality on this. Holy crap. And this thing's gonna get, I believe, even more purple when it gets thrown on the car as well. The same thing on the other side. And then this is cool. I don't know if you guys watched the Megan Racing Lowering Springs video, but I hinted at a company called Apex Motorsport, and that's my company. I created it, and you know, trying to sell parts through it. But this company was nice enough to put, and I'm not sure how well you're gonna be able to see it, but they were nice enough to put my company's name on the actual tips. So now it says Apex Motorsport on the actual tips. So that's gonna be cool. I went with the burnt titanium ones. I think these will look the best. And they'll be like relatively, I would say, blocked with the diffuser as well. So, you know, they shouldn't poke out too far. Hopefully, I've seen a lot of guys who run bigger tips and it starts to wear away on the inside of the diffusers that they run. So hopefully that's not the case. If it is, maybe we'll do some heat treatments on the diffuser. And then I went with vacuum actuated just because I've heard some bad things about the electric one. So we got the vacuum piping there, more tips. Oh, this is probably the controller. Yep, so we got the controller over here to manage the vacuum system, so that's good. That's all done. Dude, I don't know what they packed this with, but it completely exploded. Okay, I don't know where that stopped recording, but I started unboxing the second half of this box. We have the X-Pipe right here. We got Eurocell, the Euro 6 200 cell cats in the front, and then it went dual resonated towards the rear. This is supposed to give like a pretty high-pitched sound. At higher RPM, supposedly it's supposed to sound like closer to like an F1 car type. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this all in order, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys what everything looks like. Okay, so I finally got the exhaust somewhat looking how it's gonna be on the actual car. So I guess we could start from the back, and I even included the diffuser in this. So we have diffuser, mufflers to the X-Pipe. It's gonna go to those and then mount up. This looks absolutely insane. And then also I've got tipser over there. So yeah, I will make a video showing some of the install process, and then also be getting like sound clips and stuff of this. I mean, I just think it's gonna be like nuts. Like I think that I didn't go with a straight pipe because I didn't want it to be like too loud, but I do believe that the Eurocell cats and the dual resonated is still gonna be stupid loud. I don't know how I'm gonna get the sound clips yet. I'm possibly thinking about making the purchase of an external mic that I can like hook up to the back of the bumper or something. But yeah, also with this part haul, I also got these carbon fiber canards for the front, and I'm not gonna put them on until the rear is able to match the front. Here are the smaller ones, full carbon and everything. But yeah, I wasn't gonna put those on until the rear could match it. So depending, those are super easy to install, but depending on how it looks with the diffuser, with the exhaust and everything, maybe I'll go ahead and put those on the front. I was hoping to get a either Varus diffuser, or not diffuser, but under tray, or a Varus style under tray. I don't know what I'm gonna go with yet, but yeah, I think that's the next step. And then after that, the outside's gonna be good for a while, and then we're gonna go buckets, maybe do some engine work, get some carbon in there, even to plenum and stuff like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are looking forward to hearing and seeing how this is gonna be installed, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.